Just left my house. I'm about to go to E-Mart supermarket to shop for some groceries. I'm gonna try and vlog all of it. It's my first time trying to like vlog my grocery shopping. So yeah, my boyfriend's gonna pick me up and then we're gonna head that way. You know the mangoes in Miami are like this, and they're free. You just get them from my aunt's backyard. I need oatmeal.
Oh, here. This is the oatmeal.
It looks like this one's the most popular one.
Yeah. That is so popular.
Oreos that they have. They have red velvet and they have Oreo thins. Cookies and cream. Candy. Bread. favorite part of the whole store. Oh my god, they sell sour cream here. They never sell sour cream here. Now I know that they sell it here. This. I'm looking for this happy bath, but I don't know if I'll find it. I spent $88,340. Just kidding. 80. It's like I spent like less than $80. In Korea, groceries are super expensive and you have to box them up yourself or bring your own bags. So this is my helper here. He's helping me put everything in the box. So yeah. Raspberries. Oh, they're on sale. Oh, I love raspberries. I want raspberries.
Okay, great.
How exciting. Where's the word firm?
단단.
단단?
Yeah, 단단 means firm. 단단한. 단단하고 단단.
So usually I would have never eaten this before, but now that I'm dealing with a vegetarian all the time, I'm eating more tofu. And I like the extra firm because I like to fry it in like potato starch and some salt, and it's so good. The reason I love Homeplus more is because they just have more variety, especially with like Western food, like American food. They have more like selection with cheese. I just love cheese. Luckily, my apartment complex has carts, so this is how I take my groceries home. In a box from the grocery store, in a cart. So it is like 7:30 and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make some garlic lemon like creamy pasta with capers. I'm not gonna have any meat in it, but I just really wanted to eat that tonight, so that's what I'm about to make. So I prepared everything and I'm just gonna show you how I make it. And this is Caesar salad, but with no Parmesan cheese because I use all the Parmesan cheese for my meal. But it's still good, pretty sure. I hope you're enjoying this vlog. If you've reached this far into the vlog, comment down below what your favorite pasta is and what I should make next. I like challenging myself with recipes. I've made this before, but this is the best one. These are croutons. Garlic croutons from Korea. And the thing about bread here is it's sweet. So any bread you eat, even though it might be a little salty, it's usually sweet. The garlic bread is sweet. The croutons are sweet. It's the weirdest thing, but I'm so used to it now. Done. Now I have to clean up.